Hey friends, if you wish to find the Microsoft Office product key using command prompt, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. The answer is don't. Don't do this because the path that is given across other channels and websites is for a specific system and it will not work on your system. Most probably it may or may not, but most probably it will not. So I'll just give you a simple answer. Remove this command prompt thing and it makes life much easier. Simply search for store in the Windows search bar and open store, and then go to this third party app called Show Key Plus, and then go to Show Key Plus and then click on open, and this will open the key. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.